Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to convert your MS Word into Google Documents. This will help you in conducting online quizzes easily via Google Forms. So in simple, you can directly convert your MS Word questions into Google Forms. So that I am going to show you now. So for that purpose you have different steps. First of all, go to the Google Chrome. And go to your Google home page. There you can see Gmail, images, and beside that you can see uh, an option here, Google Apps. Click that. Google to Go to Google Drive. This is the first step we need to do. We have to go to the Google Drive. This is my Google Drive. Then go to the settings. You can see settings after your support. Next to the support, you can see the settings. Click that settings. Then go to the settings. There you can see storage, convert uploads, etc. etc. This is very important. The second option, convert uploads, you have to click this. So whatever you are uploading here, that gets converted into the Google Documents. For example, if you are uploading a Google MS Word, it gets converted into Google Doc. If you are uploading MS Excel, if you are uploading MS Office files like PowerPoint, everything gets converted into Google easily accessible documents. So this has to be converted, this has to be highlighted, and then click done. Now this is the first step you have to do. Now after this, then click on new. Click on new. Then it will ask you for the file to upload. Now which file you need to upload here, whether you want to upload your MS Office or your Excel sheet or PowerPoint, it will be prompting you. Then I am uploading a Word document. Then upload. Now upload is completed. Now the second step is go to Google Docs. For this, docs.google.com. Then you can see all the different forms here. Just like your Google Forms, you can see different types of Google documents. Then simply click on blank button. Now this is the page which is empty now. Now you need to import your questions that are present in the form of a document, that is MS Office. So this is the MS Office file what I have uploaded. Now let us see how it is looking like in your Google Documents. For this purpose, go to File, then Open. And you can see your assessment questions here. Okay, click this. Showing once again, go to File, then Open, then now you can see all the questions here. Just what is there in the question paper, so that gets highlighted here. So this is in the form of a Google document. Now you can simply export them to your Google Forms. Now how to do this? So for this purpose, you need to have the one more app. Now how many steps we have completed? We have completed 2 steps. The first step is go to the Google Drive, then change your settings and highlight your settings to upload the documents or to convert the uploaded documents into compatible Google Drive documents. And the second step is to go to the Google Documents, then open the MS file which is already uploaded. Then you can see different options here: file, edit, view, insert, format, tools. Then you can see an add-on here. If you click on add-on, if no add-on is there, you can simply see highlights like this. So for that purpose, the first time you have to download one add-on. So get add-ons here, click this. So you can see, So you can see different add-ons here. Now the add-on what you are trying to download is Doc2Form. This is very important. Doc2Form. Click this and install. Then it will prompting you to continue the installation or not. Just continue. And it will ask your sign in accounts, user accounts. Then it will ask for the permissions. Simply allow them. Now it is done. Okay. Now can you see now? Yes. Document add-ons, Doc2Form. Now what I'm doing here, I'm converting this document into a Google form. Now add-ons, Doc2Form, create form from doc. Click this. Then you can see a dialog box like this. Now it will even ask to collect username, your names, teacher name, etc., etc. If you want, you can add them. Otherwise, simply neglect them or leave them. Then how to add questions? See, you can see question number 1 here. Then you can see use selected text. Now what you can see is, or what you can do is, just simply type the question, select the question. So once you are selected, then go to this and use selected text. Now it gets copied there. No need of copying and pasting there. Then what type of question it is, whether it is a short answer, paragraph answer, multiple choice, checkbox, etc., etc. So it is a multiple choice question. Just click multiple choice. Then it will ask for options here. So you need to type all these options. So easy way to type all these options is just copy all the options at a time, copy, then paste. You can use Control C for copy and Control V for paste. So for each and every option there should be a semicolon. See, add options separated with semicolons means that for each and every answers it should be separated with a semicolon. Now see, okay, this is the first question. Then you can even add the second question also. Then select second question, use selected text, automatically it gets selected. Then which type of question is it? Multiple choice. Then select your answers, copy, then paste. Again, semicolon, semicolon, and semicolon. Now see, so in this way you can add questions. How many questions you can add to a maximum? So to a maximum you can add 10 questions using this free version. If you want to add more than 10 questions, from 10 to 50 questions, 50 up to 50 questions you can add using a paid version, but up to 10 questions you can add using a free version. So if you want to add more than 10 questions, what you have to do is simply add 10 questions, then click on this. So create form. Now see, now it is creating form. It is loading the image. Now, so your form has been created. It is located in your Google Drive. If you want to view this, simply click view. So this is the form. So these are the 2 questions I have exported there. So you can display it here. So all the 10 questions will be displayed there. Then you can add your college details, college address, etc., etc. You can do all these things. Okay. Now how to import all these things also I will discuss now. now I have shown you how to export the question. So we have converted that MS Word into Google Forms now. Now similarly you can add up to 10 questions, but you want 20 questions. What you have to do now? Anyways, this form is saved, right? So where you can see this, so go to the forms again, docs.google.com/forms, all these things. So you can see this, it was opened at 1:32. So you can see those two questions here. Okay, so whatever question is there, so automatically it gets saved here. What we can do here is simply go to the Google Forms, then open a blank, then you can give title for this. So what you can give the title here, for example, dummy examination. You can give the description of the college, address, etc., etc. So dummy examination, I given a name for this. So how can we import this? So this is the second option. See, the first option is add question, the second option is import question. Simply click this, then it will ask from where you need to import. So you can import from anywhere. Let us suppose I am importing from this untitled, this one exam. Let's say. Now we can see what are the things you need to import. Do you want to import this title, your name, register number, email ID? You can import them. Okay, import. If you click on this, so you can see it's a daily assessment, subject, your short name, register name, email ID. So all this gets imported here. So from one file, I imported all these files. From the second file, you need to import questions. Let us suppose. So I'm importing from this assessment form. Select. Now you can see here the different questions are there. How many questions are there? We have 2 questions. Select all those questions and import. So you have imported 2 questions. If you have 10 questions, you can import them. So what I'm saying is, if you are having 20 questions, you prepare 2 different Google Forms. One consists of 10 and the other one consists of 10. So collectively you can import any number of questions here. Now in this way you can import the questions and finally you can see a total quiz with all the questions. So manually doing each and every questions, copying each and every question, then copying each and every option will be very difficult, generally very difficult. So what you can do is, you can follow this shortcut and then you can import all these questions. So first you can convert your MS Word document into Google Docs, then from Google Docs to Google Form, then you can import all the questions to make quiz more attractive. So this is how you can use Google Documents to convert your MS Word document into Google Forms. Thank you for your patience.